Hello all. Previously we have seen basic organization of a computer. So in this video we will see how we can install DevCpp in this video. DevCpp is a famous IDE for C programming. So in that we can execute and run our C programs. So let's see how we can download and install DevCpp in my system or in our systems. So for that you can use any browser of your choice. I will use Google Chrome, and then please search for dev C++ download, and just click on sourceforge.net. So we can download the executable from sourceforge.net website. So please click on this particular website link. So as you can see, we have a download button. Just click on the download. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes to download, depending on the speed of your internet. The size of this file is 48 MB. I will start download this particular exe file. Once it is downloaded, we can start the installation procedure. So I will start the installation. So basically the file is saved in downloads and programs folder. I will go to that particular folder and I will click for the installation. So in this we have a DevCpp 5.11 TDM. This particular IDE, this particular exe I just downloaded. Please double click to start the installation. I just double clicked it. So it is unpacking the data. So we'll see how we can install DevCpp now. So as you can see, the first dialog box is installer language. Please select a language. I will choose English as a language and click on OK. And then we have license agreement. You just click on agree, and you just click remove old configuration files for safety purpose, and then click on next. Please remember this particular destination folder. This destination folder is the location where your dev C++ software gets installed. So in my system, I am installing this DevCpp in a C drive under program files x86 folder. So please remember this particular destination folder for future reference, and then click on install. So it will take 2 to 3 minutes depending on your speed of computer, and then it will install this particular software. So it's installed. So the shortcut is already created on my desktop, as you can see here, and then click on finish. It will open the DevCpp window. Just click on finish. So this is the first time configuration window. In this, you just please select your language. I just selected English original and then click on next. And basically I will choose the default settings and I will click on next only, and then OK. So this is the first time window of DevCpp. The version is 5.11. Now we will write some sample C programs and how we can run this C programs in DevCpp software. So for that, please go click on file and then click on new, and then click on source file, and simply you can click on Ctrl+N. So it will open the notepad window. I will just maximize the font size for you to get the better vision. To increase the font size, go to tools and go to editor options, and then here we have fonts option, and click on fonts tab, and in this size I will use 34 as the font size, and then click on OK. So as we can see, the font size is got increased. Now I will write a sample C program. Hash include stdio.h int main printf hello world, then semicolon, then return 0. After you write the program, you just save this file. So for that, you just click Ctrl plus S or go to File and click on Save. So choose your folder. I will choose in the this PC drive. We have two different drives, C drive and D drive. I'm choosing D drive as my C programs folder. So D drive, and in that I have a folder called C programming folder. Then I will create one more folder called engineering engineering C, and then here I will file name first.c. You can name any name of your choice. I will use first.c. So don't forget to mention your file extension type. So we should mention file extension type as .c. If you forget .c as an extension for your C program, the compiler won't run your program. So extension is the must and should. Okay, first.c and then click on save. So now how we can now let us see how we can compile and run our program. So as you can see, we have execute tab. Click on execute tab and click on compile. Click on compile. Here we don't have any errors and we don't have any warnings. Now click on run. So hello world gets printed on the output screen. This is how we can write our C programs in DevCpp software. So that's it for today. I will see you in my next lecture. Thank you so much for watching.